Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss problems based on 1-1 or onto or bisector. We will see first question. Show that the function f maps n to n means natural numbers to natural numbers. So these type of problems you have to observe what is the domain, what is the codomain. On that domain, codomain, how they define function f of x equal to 2x is 1-1 but not onto we have to prove. So first of all, this algorithm we have to follow to prove or to verify whether one function is 1-1 or not. Suppose the given function they define f maps a to b like one function. To verify this function is 1-1 means it is enough to prove that f of x1 equal to f of x2. This is our assumption. If we assume f of x1 equal to f of x2, we have to prove that x1 equal to x2. Then onto. So onto there are two methods. Method 1 and another method. So in method 1, range of the function is equal to codomain, means f of a equal to b. This is one method to prove onto. Another method, first we have to assume f of x equal to y. Later x as a subject. X as a subject is nothing but x can be written as in terms of y. Later, for every y belongs to codomain, whether x belongs to domain or not, we have to verify. There exists at least one y belongs to b such that x does not belongs to domain, means that is not onto. Means for any y belongs to capital B means codomain, there exists pre-image in domain. If we prove like that, means that is onto function. So this is the algorithm to prove whether one function is 1-1 or onto or bisector. So bisector means if it is both 1-1 and onto, that is bisector. Both 1-1 and onto, then only we can say that this function is bisector function. Now, given function what is the given function? F of x equal to 2x. So first we will verify whether this function is 1-1 or not. So what is the procedure here? Let x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. What is the domain? Natural numbers we have to consider. And also we have to assume f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So f of x nothing but 2x. What is f of x1? It is 2x1 equal to 2x2. So both sides we can cancel 2. So x1 equal to x2. That is, what is our assumption? F of x1 equal to f of x2. What we prove? x1 equal to x2. This is true for every x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. Therefore, f of x is 1-1. So this is the algorithm. To prove 1-1 means what we have to assume f of x1 equal to f of x2. We assume like that. What we have to prove? X1 equal to x2. We proved x1 equal to x2. Suppose x1 is not equal to x2 means that is not one function. So in this case f is one function. Next, whether the function is onto or not. See here, onto there are two methods. Method 1, range of the function is equal to codomain. Method 2, this algorithm we have to follow for method 2. Now both methods I will solve. So here method 1. Method 2. So in method 1, range of the function is equal to codomain is means or not we have to verify. What is the domain? Natural numbers. Any natural number if you substitute, what are the natural numbers? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Any natural number if you substitute here, domain if you substitute here, we will get range. What is the range? Range f of a equal to, suppose x equal to 1 means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 means all even numbers we are getting. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on to n like that. So what is the range? Set of natural numbers. So range is not equal to this codomain. Sorry, this is the codomain. Codomain nothing but natural numbers. Range nothing but this type of even numbers. Therefore, range of the function is not equal to codomain. That is, f of n means range. F of n is not equal to codomain. Therefore, f is not an onto. This is the first method. In the second method, what we have to assume, let f of x equal to y, x as a subject means in terms of y, then we have to verify like this. See here. Method 2. Let f of x equal to y. F of x equal to y. Here x belongs to domain, y belongs to codomain. So from this, f of x nothing but 2x. So that is 2x equal to y. What is the next step? X as a subject means in terms of y. So x equal to y by 2. Later what we have to verify? For every y belongs to codomain, whether x belongs to domain or not, we have to verify. See here. If I take, if y equal to 1, if I take, what is x value? 1 by 2, which is not belongs to natural number, means domain. So see here, this is natural number set, this is natural number set, this is the function f. So y equal to 1 I am taking, means one codomain element I am taking, whether it has a pre-image or not. So what is the x value? 1 by 2 we got, but it is not a natural number. So that for the element y it has no pre-image. What is onto definition? Every element of codomain it has at least one pre-image. At least one pre-image. So it has no pre-image means that is not onto function. So how to write? See. For y equal to 1 which is belongs to codomain. Codomain has no pre-image, has no pre-image in domain. Therefore, f is not onto. So, like these two methods we have to identify. Method 1 means range is not equal to codomain or range is equal to codomain. What is the second method means we have to assume f of x equal to y, x as a subject. Then we have to verify any one y value or randomly any one number you take from the codomain. If you substitute here x will come. Whether this x value, whether it is in domain or not, we have to identify. If it is not belongs to domain, so that is not onto function. Next. Same question will change. Domain, codomain. Later we solve the problem. See here. This is the set of real numbers. This is also set of real numbers. On the real numbers, whether this function is 1 1 or not. On the real numbers, whether this function is 1 1 or not. See here. First 1 1 will verify whether this function is 1 1 or not. What is 1 1 procedure? Let x1 comma x2 belongs to real numbers, means domain. And f of x1 equal to f of x1 equal to f of x2. What we have to prove? x1 equal to x2 we have to prove. So from this 2x1 equal to 2x2. Both sides we can cancel 2. So x1 equal to x2. That is, what we verify? Our assumption is f of x1 equal to f of x2. So what we proved? We proved x1 equal to x2. x1 equal to x2. This is true for every x1 comma x2 belongs to domain real numbers. Therefore, f is both 1, it is 1 1 function. Next, whether it is onto or not, same method will follow, onto or not. Procedure like this only. Let f of x equal to y, both x belongs to domain, y also codomain, means real numbers. Later what we have to assume, f of x means 2x, x as a subject we return. If you observe, any real number if you take, any real number, suppose y equal to 1 you take, 1 by 2. So x value 1 by 2 will get. This 1 by 2 clearly domain, means real number. So this is, see here, how to write reverse. If you write means you can understand easily. For every y belongs to real numbers, means codomain. See, for every y belongs to codomain, any real means if you give any real value of y if you substitute here, this x value also belongs to real number, that is domain. What is the meaning here? For every element in codomain, there exists at least one pre-image in domain. Therefore, or that is, for every y belongs to codomain, there exists at least one pre-image in domain. Therefore, F is onto. Hence, F is both 1 1 and onto. It is a bijective. Like that we have to answer. See, if we change the domain and codomain means it is both 1 1 and onto. Natural numbers to natural number if you take means which is 1 1 but not onto. So like that we have to verify whether one function is 1 1 or not. Next. Question. Show that the function f maps R to R defined by f of x equal to x square. Show that the function f maps R to R f of x equal to x square is neither 1 1 nor onto. Neither 1 1 nor onto. So what is the given function? F of x equal to x square. Given function is f of x equal to x square. Domain means real numbers, codomain also real numbers. We have to prove that which is neither 1 1 nor onto. Just we will verify whether this function is 1 1 or not. What is 1 1 procedure? Randomly two elements from domain we have to consider. And f of x1 equal to f of x2 we have to assume. F of x1 equal to f of x2. F of x1 nothing but x1 square. F of x2 nothing but x2 square. So we can write x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 equal to 0 because x1 square minus x2 square will come. So in this case this function is 1 1 x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0. So x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 equal to 0. See here, if the same real numbers are two real numbers means this value will be 0, means difference is 0. If these two real numbers are opposite signs, suppose 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, it is also 0. So, for two distinct elements in domain having the same image, so these type of cases we have to give counter example. So, what are the counter examples I will take? See. So, when we have to take counter example means one function is not 1 1 nor onto means we have to give counter example. See. Suppose 1 comma minus 1 belongs to two real numbers means from the domain we are taking. From the domain. See here. Through Venn diagram it is very simple. This is real numbers. Real numbers. So real numbers to real numbers one function is forming. What I am taking? Two arbitrary elements from the real numbers means domain. Minus 1, 1. So, first we are calculating f of minus 1. Put x equal to minus 1 means minus 1 whole square, it will be 1. Means, in the codomain also, one number I am taking, that is 1. And f of 1 also I am taking. So, 1 whole square, nothing but 1. Means, what is the image of 1 also? 1. See here. Two distinct elements in domain having the same image in codomain, so that f is not 1 1. So you write like this. That is two distinct elements minus 1 and plus 1 having same image 1 in codomain. See here, two distinct elements minus 1 and plus 1 in domain having the same image. So having the same image means that is not 1. What is 1 1 condition? Distinct elements of domain having distinct images. Suppose two elements are there, two images should exist. Three elements are there, three images should exist. So two elements, one image existing means that is not 1 1 corresponding. So it is not 1 1 corresponding. Therefore, f is not 1 1. So like that we have to verify 1 1. So you remember, any one function is not 1 1 means we have to give counter example like this. Next. Whether this function is onto or not, we have to verify. So in onto means two methods. Range of the function is equal to codomain, that is onto. Range of the function is not equal to codomain, that is not onto. Just I am taking range of the function. See here. Since square of any real number is always positive for every x belongs to real numbers. Yes, it is true. X square nothing but we can take f of x is always greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, range of f of x. So what is the range of f of x? 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. What is the codomain? What is the codomain? Codomain means set of real numbers. Very clear. 0 to infinity only subset of real numbers, but is not exactly real numbers. That is, range of f is not equal to codomain. Therefore, f is not onto. Hence, f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Like that we have to define. Means we have to prove whether the one function is neither 1 1 nor onto. Next problem. Show that the function means show that one onto function is also 1 1. So what they are giving? So given function is onto function. Onto function. Now we have to prove that this is also 1 1. So also 1 1 means what is 1 1 correspondence? Distinct elements of domain having distinct images. Suppose 1 correspond to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3 we have to prove. Means distinct elements of domain having the distinct images we have to prove. See here. What we given? F given function is onto function. What we have to prove? F is also 1 1. What we are taking? We are assuming that F is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. So F is not 1 1 means just we are assuming. F is not 1 1 means just what I am taking. Let 1 comma 2 elements in domain. See here. Suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 domain elements. What we are taking? F is not 1 1. Not 1 1 means what we have to assume? This is domain. This is codomain. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Suppose it is not 1 1. Our assumption means 2 or more elements of domain having the same image. Suppose 1 comma 2 having same image 2. Then compulsory 3 related to either 1 or 3. Suppose 3 related to 3 means 1 left. This is not onto. But given function is onto function. So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? F is not 1 1. So what is correct? F is 1 1 is correct. So that just this is only our assumption. Let 1 comma 2 in domain having the same image. Having the same image in codomain, same image 2 I will take. Same image 2 in codomain. And 3 related to either 1 or 3. Suppose 3 related to 1 means 3 will have. 3 related to 3 means 1 will have. So in this case what we have to do? There exists one element in codomain, it has no pre-image. There exists one element in codomain which is not image of any element of domain. So here I am taking there exists see, there exists one element in codomain is not the image of any element of domain. So any element of domain. So see here, there exists one element in codomain. One element in, suppose 3 related to 3 means 1 will left. Suppose 3 related to 1 means 3 will left. There exists one element in domain. There exists one element in codomain. Is not the image of any element of domain. Therefore, F is not onto. So F is not onto means, but given function is onto, so that our assumption is wrong. That is, our assumption is wrong. So our assumption is wrong, that is f is not 1 1, so that f is 1 1. Like that we have to verify. So it is completely theory oriented concept only. See once again, given function is onto the given, we have to prove that the same function is also 1 1. So just we are assuming f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1 means 2 or more elements of domain having the same image. Just we are assuming. Suppose 1 comma 2 in domain, 2 elements having the same image. Suppose 2 I am taking. So 2 elements, 1 covered here. So here 2 elements left, here only 1 element left. So this remaining 1 element, it is related to either one of these 2 elements, not both. If it is related to both, means that is not a function itself. So the remaining element in domain is related to only one of the remaining 2 elements in codomain. Suppose 3 related to 1 means 3 left in codomain. So that is what I am taking. There exists 1 element in codomain. It is not the image of any element of domain. Therefore, f is not onto. F is not onto means, but the given is on. This is onto function. So that our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? F is not 1 1 is wrong. What is correct means f is 1 1 is the correct. So like that we have to prove this type of questions. Next. Same question. We'll rewrite like this. Show that the function, show that a11 function, show that a11 function is also onto, we have to prove, is also onto. So to prove this function is onto or not, all the elements of domain are the images of some of the elements of domain we have to prove. See, what is the given question? F is 1 1 since f is 1 1, our assumption. F is 1 1 means distinct elements of domain having distinct images in codomain. Distinct images means only image will be there in codomain. So very clear, distinct elements in domain having distinct images. Suppose this is the domain, this is codomain. What are the domain elements? 1, 2, 3. What are the codomain elements? 1, 2, 3. So f is 1 1 function means distinct elements having distinct images. So number of elements in domain, number of elements in codomain, both are same. And number of elements in domain is equal to number of elements in codomain. See here, number of elements in domain, number of elements in codomain, both are same. Very clear. Suppose 1 related to 2, 2 related to 1, 3 related to 3. So distinct elements in domain having the distinct images. At the same time, all the elements of codomain having pre-images. So that no element left in codomain, so hence f is also onto. That is, all the elements in codomain are the image elements of elements of domain. Elements of domain. That is, therefore, f is an onto function. So we are assuming f is 1 1. What we proved, f is also onto, we have to prove. So like this, one function is 1 1 function, that is also onto, based on this domain and codomain. Next question. Check the injectivity and the subjectivity. Check injectivity and subjectivity. Injectivity and subjectivity are the following functions. The following functions. So first function is f maps n to n given by f of x equal to x square. F maps n to n given by f of x equal to x square. Injectivity means 1 1, subjectivity means onto. Means injectivity, subjectivity we have to check. See here. First injectivity. Whether this function is injective or not. So injective, what is the procedure? Distinct elements of domain having distinct images, means that is 1 1 function procedure. For that purpose, what we are taking, suppose x1 comma x2 belongs to two random elements from the domain we have to consider. So what is the domain here? Set of natural numbers. And also we have to assume f of x1 equal to f of x2 we have to assume. What we have to prove? x1 equal to x2. So f of x means x square. F of x1 means it will be x1 square equal to x2 square. From this, x1 square minus x2 square equal to 0. From this, x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2 equal to 0. So from this, x1 minus x2 equal to 0, but x1 plus x2 cannot be 0. Why? Sum of the two natural numbers cannot be 0. So for every x1 comma x2 belongs to natural numbers. So from this, x1 equal to x2. That is, what we prove? Our assumption is f of x1 equal to f of x2. What we proved? x1 is equal to x2. This is true for every x1 comma x2 belongs to domain. Therefore, f is injective function. Therefore, f is injective. Next, subjectivity. So subjectivity nothing but whether this function is onto or not. So first we will calculate range Codomain means set of natural numbers. See here. What is the range of the function? What is the given function? F of x equal to x square. So what is the codomain elements? Nothing but set of natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Suppose x equal to 1, if I substitute, see, range equal to x equal to 1 means f of 1, x equal to 2 means f of 2, x equal to 3 means f of 3, x equal to 4 means f of 4. So from this, what is the value? F of 1 means put x equal to 1, x equal to 2, 4, x equal to 3, 9, x equal to 4, x equal to 5 and so on. So very clear, this is the range of the function. What is the codomain? Codomain, set of natural numbers. See here, this is also natural numbers. This codomain is also natural numbers. But in this natural numbers say, some of the natural numbers are missing because 1 is there, 2, 3 is not there, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not there. So this is subset of this one only, but not exactly. Therefore, range of the function, range is not equal to codomain. Therefore, or that is f is not surjective. Hence, f is neither injective nor surjective. Like that we have to verify whether one function is injective or subjective. So neither injective nor subjective we have to study. This is injective. So this is injective but not subjective. But not subjective. Like that we have to define. So f is injective, f is not subjective.